Takeoff flaps.
Alright, here we go. I'm going up.
Clear up. Flaps up.
We go same direction everyone else is. Through the damn birds! Sheesh. Are they all flying to their spots or what? Sheesh.
Corral them in. Corral the birds in. Oh, dang. Whoa.
They just came out of nowhere. Yes, we know birds. Go away.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Fighting off bugs now. I need to come back around and catch you guys. There we go.
How long you up call for?
A minute. Budget.
About that time, I think.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I got way more than that though. More birds. Kamikaze birds.
There's your load.
Alright, I'm coming in.
Roger that.
Left to right?
I go right to left.
Right to left is better.
I can't.
Okay.
I'm no good that way.
You got to cut off the tower though. Yeah. Just float in.
30 seconds.
I don't even have power on. Look at that alpha, baby. Haha.
Did it? I didn't do
Yeah.
nothing.
Oh, I went around the bend.
Uh-oh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Okay.
2,
It's way down there.
1.
Alright.
Time expired.
I don't have to land.
I
I'm
don't have to land yet.
still just putting around. I've been below half most of the time. Oh, hey, my gear doors aren't hanging out. I guess it worked.
So what you say, mine doesn't look so good?
No.
Hanging out,
No, I wasn't even looking at yours. I was looking at mine. My gear doors have been hanging out like crazy.
I have to show my drawers. I'm happy to show my drawers.
That's the first time. Oh, I got one hanging down. Never mind. One's hanging down.
1 minute over.
But I figured out the right angle to bend them.
Yeah, I gotta do that one day. Okay, I'm gonna cut this pipe short.
Okay.
I'll come in from the side.
I'll be, once you're clear, I'll come in behind you.
Coming in, Mike, from behind you.
Gear down.
I think I held my breath the whole way. I'm way on the left.
Okay. I'll come in then.
Okay.
try to
Way on the left.
Landing
try to
flat.
touch down way the hell back there so I don't roll too far.
Shoulder left.
Okay.
2 minutes over.
How dare you? Oh shit, truck. I see him. Good thing I came that way. I saw him. Is he parking here? No.
Good player.
Okay.
You'll be alright.
Woo.
Yeah, once you pull out,
Flat up.
Yeah, I just have a total problem with that truck over there. Something about those fixed objects, I feel like I hit it.
Oh, you gravitate towards them usually.
I do.
That's what I do.
That's the kind of a thing I learned in motocross.
If you look at it, you're gonna hit it.
Yeah, if you look at it, you're going to hit it.
If you think about it, you're gonna hit it.
Yep. I've done it many a time. How'd they get all alligatored on the inside?